Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Barry. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I just wanted to do a quick training video. It's a 4-part series on how to make money online if you never made a red cent online. It's only going to take about 5 minutes of your time. Again, this is only part 1, so you're going to want to subscribe to the channel so you can come back later and watch the rest. But yeah, just put aside about 5 minutes. Promise I'll only give you the meat and potatoes of it all. And let's jump right in. Thank you. This video is going to explain how to start making money online even if you never made a red cent on the internet at all. Today we begin a 4-part series that will explain in detail the necessary pieces that need to be in place in order for you to start making money online. Here's the secret. There is no secret at all. It boils down to basic principles that have worked in marketing for thousands of years. It has very little to do with the internet specifically. However, what you're about to learn over the next several days is the adaptation needed for it to work online and for you. Does that make sense? So the question is, what's the first step in the process to making money online, even if you never made a red cent? Let's first list the 4 things you will need. The remaining of today's training will completely focus on the first thing you need to start making money online. A quality value exchange between you and those you want to serve. A growing list of people you've helped from step 1 above. A system for building relationships and authority with the list. Make the right offer at the right time unapologetically. Learn how to fix what's broken. The first step towards making money online. When I first attempted to make money online nearly 10 years ago, I kept hearing it said over and over, you have to give value to the marketplace. Can I be brutally honest with you? I had no freaking idea what that actually meant. In my day-to-day life, that kind of talk wasn't happening. I was so confused. It was so confusing to me. Imagine someone carrying around a box that has a broken item inside. They are searching for someone to teach them how to fix it. They come upon you, and you are also carrying a box that has the fix instructions inside. You exchange the fix for their broken item. That's the definition of giving value. It's an exchange that you make that leaves someone better than they were before connecting with you. In other words, when you are able to do one of the following 4 things, you have successfully given value. Give a quality solution to a problem. Give a quality answer to a question. Give a quality relief to a pain. Give quality advice to a given situation. Tomorrow we'll pick up where we left off here and talk about the next piece of the puzzle when it comes to making money online. What I want you to do until then is identify. Who do you serve with your business? What are the boxes that they are carrying around with broken items? What's the fix in your box that you can exchange with them and make them better? Do you believe this content is share-worthy? If so, please share it with those who you believe could benefit, specifically those who are looking for the secret to making money online. Come back tomorrow for part 2, where we dive into how to grow a quality list of people who you've helped from step 1 and exactly what needs to happen to get you closer to that cash. Until then, go forth in victory. P.S. At the bottom of this video, there's a book that we would like to give to you as a free gift. Click on the link below and get your free book.